Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your trusted source for the latest automotive updates and reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce a potential game changer in the compact SUV segment, the upcoming Jeep Sub 4M SUV. Compact in size but mighty in capability, this SUV is Jeep's answer to the highly competitive Indian market. Let's explore everything we know so far and why this SUV could be the next big thing on Indian roads. Body. Exterior design. The Jeep Sub 4M SUV is designed to reflect Jeep's iconic DNA while catering to the preferences of Indian buyers. The front fascia features Jeep's signature 7-slot grille, flanked by sleek LED projector headlamps and aggressive dials for a bold look. The muscular wheel arches, sharp character lines, and skid plates emphasize its off-road-ready stance, even in a compact body. Riding on stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, the Sub 4M SUV looks both rugged and modern. The rear features sporty LED tail lamps, a high-mounted stop lamp, and a functional rear bumper with reflectors, ensuring practicality and style. With its compact yet aggressive styling, the Jeep Sub 4M SUV is built to turn heads in both cities and rural settings. Interior and features. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that combines Jeep's rugged heritage with modern conveniences. The SUV is expected to feature a dual-tone dashboard with soft-touch materials for a premium feel. A 10-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system will take center stage, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Jeep's Uconnect system. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time stats like speed, fuel economy, and terrain mode information. Comfort features will likely include automatic climate control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and optional ventilated front seats for added luxury. Rear passengers will enjoy ample legroom, headroom, and dedicated AC vents, ensuring a comfortable ride for all. With its modern interior and feature-packed design, the Jeep Sub 4M SUV caters to both adventure lovers and urban drivers. Performance and powertrain. The Jeep Sub 4M SUV is expected to offer multiple engine options to cater to diverse driving needs. 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. Power, 120 PS, torque, 190 Nm, transmission, 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT automatic. 1.5-liter diesel engine, optional for performance enthusiasts. Power, 115 PS, torque, 250 Nm, transmission, 6-speed manual or automatic. Jeep's Select Terrain system will provide driving modes like auto, sand, and mud, ensuring superior traction and adaptability. The Sub's fuel efficiency is expected to range between 18 to 21 km/h, making it ideal for both city commutes and long drives. With its versatile powertrains and Jeep's legendary capability, this SUV is ready for any challenge. Ride and handling. Built for India's diverse road conditions, the Jeep Sub 4M SUV promises a smooth and stable ride. The monocoque chassis ensures lightweight construction and better agility. Jeep's signature suspension tuning provides excellent comfort over potholes, speed bumps, and rugged trails. A ground clearance of 200 mm and high approach and departure angles make this SUV capable of light off-roading while being city-friendly. With its refined dynamics and rugged build, the Sub 4M SUV is designed for versatility. Safety and build quality. Safety is a priority in the Jeep Sub 4M SUV, making it a dependable choice for families and adventurers alike. The SUV is expected to come with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, and hill start assist. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, may include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. Jeep's high-strength steel body construction ensures excellent crash protection, meeting global safety standards. With its comprehensive safety features, the Sub 4M SUV inspires confidence on every journey. Technology and connectivity. The Jeep Sub 4M SUV is expected to deliver cutting-edge technology. A connected car suite will offer remote engine start-stop, geofencing, live location tracking, and vehicle health diagnostics. Wireless charging, USB-C ports, and OTA, over-the-air, updates will keep the car up to date with the latest tech. A premium sound system, likely by Harman or Alpine, will provide an immersive audio experience. With its tech-savvy features, the SUV ensures a modern and convenient ownership experience. Price and competition. The Jeep Sub 4M SUV is expected to launch with competitive pricing. The base model could start at 10 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. The top-end variant, packed with premium features and 4x4 capabilities, may go up to 14 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. This places the Sub 4M SUV in direct competition with popular models like the Tata Nexon, Hyundai Venue, Maruti Brezza, and Mahindra XUV 300. Outro. Visuals: the Jeep Sub 4M SUV cruising through different terrains, showcasing its style, performance, and versatility. Narrator: so, what do you think about the upcoming Jeep Sub 4M SUV? With its rugged design, premium interiors, versatile powertrains, and cutting-edge features, it's set to redefine the compact SUV segment in India. Whether you're an urban commuter or an off-road enthusiast, this SUV promises to deliver the best of both worlds. Let us know in the comments if the Jeep Sub 4M SUV is on your wishlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.